Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. And this is the Burnout Box. Woo-wee! That is a hot day, guys. And it's cooking. My mouth is dry as can be. Anyway, we haven't put out a video in a little bit. We've been still waiting on some parts. And, yeah, anyway. We're still waiting on some parts, but you know, life is kind of getting in the way also. Like Steve and I are both busy, and like today I gotta go look at a trailer, so I'll take you along for the ride, let you know some of the stuff we're doing, so you don't think we just fell off the map. Steven, wanna go with me look at a trailer?
No. Who the hell are you?
Did you shave your head again?
Yeah, I told you the other day I got my full
but it looks even shorter today.
I got my serial killer on.
Ah. Mika in the door. What are you making, see?
Sucker reels.
Oh, God. He won't buy them.
No, they just break. They're for my half inch. I gotta go get round rods. I found some round rods to do my 3/8 stuff.
Hi, Mika. I'm telling you, she's gonna learn how to open that door. What a beautiful looking car. Isn't that beautiful, Steve?
It's a Mustang.
That's right. So beautiful. It's feeding time.
They're starved to death.
Yeah, oh, so hard done by.
Yeah.
Vitamin M. Okay, got the engine out of this. Well, actually, the engine was in the back of this Veloster, and now it's in the back of the Mustang. Can you reach that, Steve?
Hi, guys. Got it. I got it. All by myself.
Okay. So we have to get numbers off this?
Yeah, the stamping numbers for the bearing sizes.
There's Mika and Tig. Hi, guys. That's the drive-through window, right, Steve?
Yeah.
Okay, so we went out. We're back. We went out to look at a trailer. Okay, I want to pick up a trailer for my nephew. Tell him about the trailer we looked at.
So, what was that, 4x6, something like that?
Yeah.
Steel size, basic construction. I had one of these plastic deck boards for the bottom of the trailer. That's what I'm looking for. So anyways, he wanted $400 for this thing. It had a little tiny axle on it, probably only good for 1,500 pounds at best.
Tires were garbage.
Yeah, tires were garbage. Certainly weren't going to tow it anywhere. Guys say you've just been towing with it, so it should be fine. Yeah, it's kind of scary. Go out and take a look at the tongue.
Just rotted.
Just rotted. Like, not just one little hole, all the way around rotted. I bet you if I kicked it, it would have fallen off.
I wouldn't even tow it home. I put on a trailer to pull it home.
You could see that being full of water and froze.
Yeah, it bulged
because
out.
the square tube that was made out of was swelled to be almost round. It was incredible. And he wanted $400 for it, and it's like, no.
And we offered him $150, and he said no. I think he found it insulting.
Yeah, I think he was a little...
I think so too. He didn't look happy.
Yeah.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Give him a little showdown. What's going on with this? Show him the rod.
The rod.
This is the Veloster.
That's out of the Veloster, yeah. So,
rods aren't supposed to be like this.
no. These are the
And look,
ergonomic ones.
It's bent two different ways. Not only is it... Oh, yeah.
So the pistons, for those who don't know,
Did it break a...
they're actually stamped. So that's the size of the piston there.
Did it break a ring on that, or no?
Nope.
No, it didn't break a ring.
And the rods are stamped as well. I can't see because Dave's getting in the way. On these, they're actually stamped the size too.
Now we have to order parts for this engine. Like the rest of the engine is great, but since we got all apart, bearings, might as well re-bearing it. While we're in there, might as well re-bearing it.
Yeah, we're gonna do rods, bearings, rings, turbo.
Yeah, the turbos on these cars seem to go for a dump. And that's what we think is causing this problem, because the turbos seem to be, the seals are going out of them, and the bearings, and they just spew oil.
Yep, the one had a completely snapped shaft in the turbo, but it's only a little tiny shaft, right? This one looked like the seals had just gone out of it and just oil everywhere.
But the best thing about it, Steve's undoing the connection from the turbo to the intercooler. He pulls it out and oil gushes down, like gushes.
You can still see it on my floor.
Yeah.
That's the trail of oil where I dropped it.
So anyway, that's the name of the game. And what's in the box?
This is just all the caps.
Oh.
So I got to find out.
And tell them about the rod caps. They're split.
Oh. That's why most of them are coming now.
Yeah. So they're specific to
each one. So
yeah.
let me just find the right one. Let me find the one for that rod that's out. That's it there.
Yeah.
So they're actually.
Let's get in close. So you see how they're actually designed. I think it's the other way around.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. Yeah.
Yeah. They're designed.
Yeah, that's it there.
That's it. Yeah, see how that fits together? Yeah. That's the way they're made. So they can only go together one way. They're specific to it. So you gotta,
And it's not just Hyundai. Honda's like that. I've got my Honda motor apart there.
Yeah.
And the rods are done the same way.
They're all going that way. And I guess it's easy production, it's cheaper. And
they machine the hole. They size the hole to 4 different sizes. They machine the crank to 4 different sizes.
Tell them about the lovely bearings. So when you're doing this engine, you got to be very specific on the bearings.
So all the bearings all come, whether it's Hyundai or Honda or who knows what, most of them seems to come color-coded.
Yeah.
This one, we're lucky, we can actually see the color.
Yeah.
It's red. So I have red bearings in these, and they are sized that. So it's the matching of the caps and the crankshaft gives you a red bearing. The Honda one's easy to describe. They actually give you a nice lovely chart. You go across 4 different sizes of your crankshaft machinings and 4 different sizes of your your connecting rods, and then you choose the corresponding bearing through that chart.
That's absolute garbage.
Yeah, don't make a mistake.
Tolerances.
Yeah. And actually, surprisingly, the tolerances are really good on it.
Yeah, but that has to be the machining tolerances, or.
Yeah,
it's terrible. It's terrible, but that's a little 1.6. It's pretty tiny, eh? Like it's, and it's light.
It is. Oh yeah. It's not surprising that, pick it up.
Boy, you're strong.
The head weighs just as much as the block.
Yeah. Is the turbo out? No, it's in the back of the car.
No, all the parts. This is all I've got here now.
But, yeah. So that's our day. That's about it, isn't it? It's a nice day out too. Look at that. It's nice. It's hotter. Oh yeah, there's Steve's. He's got it all painted up and clean and modified. He's gonna modify it some more. But it's hotter inside the garage.
It is. You get a nice little breeze out here.
Yeah. Look at that beautiful car.
It's not a car. It's a Ridgeline, and I wouldn't say they're beautiful.
The Ridgeline, I agree. I don't think it's beautiful. I like the custom bag work.
That's me. That's me too lazy to put the window up. We're not supposed to have any rain. So.
What the? Why is it all puffed out? Is it just the way the wind's hooked it?
It's just the wind.
You should draw a little face on it. Oh, Steve's doing. Hey,
on his cheap drugs.
Look at this. So we were talking. That would look good lifted. Wouldn't it?
You want to tell them why it looks a little weird?
Yeah, well, the whole engine cradle, suspension, like the steering rack and engine cradle, transmission, engine out. That's what he's doing. Engines over there, and the transmission's in there. But I like that. I like the lift on that. I think you should do it.
That's got to be what? That's got to be like a 4 or 5 inch lift.
Yeah, I'd say. But even if you did a couple inch lift, I think it would be pretty good. Especially in the back. If you gave it a little rake, like back maybe an inch taller than the front. Then we could put a fifth wheel in it.
Oh, yeah. Dave and his fifth wheel.
Fifth wheel, you could pull a trailer. Steve,
well, we put the fifth wheel on it. Not sure we'd be able to pull it.
Steve was cleaning his interior. Oh, crazy. He had the whole interior out. Like literally everything out. Steve gets a little funny with things like that. He has to watch the smell of the previous owner out.
The guy used it for construction.
Yeah, it was a little dirty. Now, look in the windows. I'll zoom in on that.
Hey, puppies.
They're keeping an eye on us. Well, that's about it, guys. We're going to drink our coffees.
I'm going to go play with some sheet metal.
Oh, yeah, he's making his... what's that again?
Socket rails.
Socket rails. Well, we got to get some numbers off those, or some parts. There's his transmission. Honda. Oh, yeah. So there's everything out of it. That's why the wheels are strapped in. Hi, guys. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Thought we'd give you a little update. Life is kind of slowing down. We're still waiting for some parts. Yeah. Anyway, you guys take care. Be safe.
Have a great summer.
Summer? Well, we'll be back by the end of summer.
The way things are going, this is all summer.